Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into rectify. 14 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Adjust. Which means alter or move something slightly in order to achieve the desired fit, appearance, or result. Adjust. For example, he smoothed his hair and adjusted his tie. Number 2. Remedy. Which means set right an undesirable situation. Remedy. For example, little has been done to remedy the situation. Number 3. Retrieve. Which means put right or improve an unwelcome situation. Retrieve. For example, he made one last desperate attempt to retrieve the situation. Number 4. Reform. Which means make changes in something, especially an institution or practice, in order to improve it. Reform. For example, the bill will reform the tax system. Number 5. Repair. Which means make good damage. Repair. For example, she sought to repair the wrong she had done. Number 6. Settle. Which means resolve or reach an agreement about an argument or problem. Settle. For example, the unions have settled a year-long dispute with Hollywood producers. Number 7. Correct. Which means put right an error or fault. Correct. For example, the council issued a statement correcting some points in the press reports. Number 8. Ameliorate. Which means make something bad or unsatisfactory better. Ameliorate. For example, the reform did much to ameliorate living standards. Number 9. Redress. Which means remedy or set right an undesirable or unfair situation. Redress. For example, the power to redress the grievances of our citizens. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.